Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox Arceus X not opening. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent it from launching. Next, make sure Roblox itself is fully updated to its newest version. Also, verify that your Arceus X version is compatible with your current Roblox client. Finally, try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall, as they sometimes block the application. If the initial checks don't work, let's try some common troubleshooting. Clear your Roblox cache and temporary files, which can often resolve loading issues. A complete reinstallation of both Arceus X and Roblox can also fix corrupted files. Always try running Arceus X as an administrator to grant necessary permissions. Lastly, close any unnecessary background applications that might be conflicting. Moving on to more advanced solutions, ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their newest version for optimal performance. Consider performing a clean boot to isolate any software conflicts that might be preventing Arceus X from launching. Also, check for and install any pending Windows operating system updates. If you suspect regional restrictions, using a reliable virtual private network might help. For persistent issues, always consult Arceus X's official documentation or community forums. Other users might have found solutions. Don't hesitate to contact Arceus X support for personalized assistance. If all else fails, you might consider exploring alternative Roblox executors. Remember, always download Arceus X from its official and trusted source to avoid security risks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.